This is Gary Schnitke, and today we're going to talk about our Conservation Habitat Addendum, which happens to be on farmdoc, and you can see other addendums there. These addendums are in addition to cash rent and share rent leases, which are also on farmdoc, and they specify additional terms. This one happens to deal with conservation habitat. So if we want to have an agreement between the farmer and landowner on conservation habitat, you could find that you could make those agreements with this addendum. This addendum will list the various terms that could be included in a conservation habitat addendum, and the individual would check those that want to be included. The three that I have up here today is one for nesting season and other critical habitat, and when we're maintaining ditches. So if we want to do this, we could have this checked. We could also have one where we maintain a pollinator habitat, or also integrated pest management practices according to NRCS standards. Again, if we want those agreements, we could check those and then sign this agreement. As is always the case, it's good to think about those conservation practices and talk about those between the farmer and landowner. It will lower the chance of misunderstandings as we move forward in time. Some of these conservation addendums or the practices will require lower cash rent because they will take away from returns, and therefore we should be thinking about lower cash rents. This conservation addendum is available on farmdoc, and see the description below for the link to that addendum.